Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can map your OneDrive into your file explorer. Mapping your OneDrive on a file explorer basically means that you are able to open up your OneDrive even on your file explorer. To do so, all you have to do is just download the actual OneDrive app on your PC. After you have downloaded the app, by going onto Google Chrome browser, searching for OneDrive and then pressing on this download button, you can see that a setup.exe will be downloaded. From here, simply open this and now download the actual OneDrive into your PC or a laptop. After you have downloaded it in your laptop, you'll be able to see that now you need to log in into your account and finish the setup that you need to do while opening up the OneDrive app. And after you have finished all the setup, you can see that you'll be on this kind of folder. A OneDrive personal folder will be opened up on your file explorer, and that is how you can map your OneDrive in your file explorer, where you are able to perform all of the tasks like getting all of your pictures into your documents, games, pictures. Now we're able to upload all of your photos and data as well. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.